In this video, I'll show you how to record your PC screen. If you have been wanting to learn how to record your PC screen, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, what you need to do, you need to head over to your PC's desktop background, right? This is it. Then you'd head over to the search box and type in sniping tool. Then click on it. Then this is it. This is record. Then tap on this new button. Then adjust it to any desired choice of yours. It can be this big, it can be this small, any size you want. This is how you can record your PC screen. So this is it. I'll do this again. This is our desktop background, right? Head over to the search bar, type in sniping tool, right? This is it. This is sniping tool. Click on it. This is the record. Tap on this new. Then you can scale size it to your desired choice. It can be this, it can be this, it can be this, it can be this. So this is how you can record your PC screen. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.